What is up? Welcome back. Today's episode, we're just gonna chill out. We're hanging out. We got a few things to go do. It's cold. It's been snowing. It's gonna get worse. Been watching some Adventures with Hobbs. Y'all might know that YouTube channel. If you don't, go check them out. Adventures with Hobbs on YouTube. Go check them out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it to all your peoples. Them are good peoples. Anyway, we're headed to town. We're gonna go do some shopping. Just gonna go meet the wife. We're gonna hang. Like, we're just putting some content out there, showing you kind of what we do. Behind what we do. It's cold. We are under a state of emergency, I don't know, due to the snowstorm that is coming. So anyway, yeah, we got a big snowstorm coming. So we're under a state of an emergency. Anyway, y'all stay safe out there. Anyway, we're about to head over to Cookeville. We're gonna meet the wife. We're gonna go to Academy and try to get some stuff for the whole fishing episodes that we got coming up as soon as all this weather get back over here. As soon as all this weather goes away, we're gonna get some fishing going on. So anyway, y'all hang tight. Alright, I know this ain't the only town that does this, but drop it in the comment and tell me what your town does crazy when something catastrophic is about to happen. Like, everybody's, you know, they're all about this snowstorm. We're getting so much snow that we're under a state of an emergency watch. What does everybody do in your town, like, when something like this happens? Right now, I just went and got gas to go meet the wife, and our grocery store, like, the people forget how to drive. They don't know where to park. They're parking in the road. Like, it's just dumb, man. It's like just dumb. Like, calm down, put your faith in Jesus. Put your faith in Jesus and everything's gonna be all right. So anyway, comment down below, tell me what your town or your city does, like, just drives you insane. Y'all see that? Academy, Petsmart, Five Guys. We chose this place. We chose Five Guys for the simple fact that everywhere we need to go after dinner is right here. We're gonna go get some dinner, and then we're gonna get some we're gonna go shopping at Academy, and then we gotta go tank a few fish. Mama Cita probably is here waiting on me. Oh, nope, her on the highway. She's got 5 minutes. So anyway, Five Guys Burgers, Academy, and then Petsmart. I got a show fit right now. Look, traffic. Listen, traffic is bad. Everybody coming to Five Guys. Anyway, where we going, Mama? Academy right here. Listen, so I don't know how we're gonna record inside Academy because they'll kick you out. But we're gonna try to sneak y'all in here with us for a little bit and hope that they don't kick us out before we get our purchase. But there's so many YouTubers. There's so many YouTubers that come into. I don't know why they don't let you record, because like all you do is like you're promoting product from Academy. But anyway, that's just wrong. Anyway, there's somebody threw out a whole bunch of trash out in the parking lot. But anyway, we're just advertising for Academy. I don't know why y'all so bound and determined not to let people record in Academy. Look, this is what I'm talking about. People throwing all their trash away in the parking lot. Do every bit of it. That's just crazy. Or getting gift cards. I'm gonna try to hide y'all in my jacket so nobody sees us. So anyway, if y'all see the jacket, if the camera goes over the jacket, that's just because somebody's walking by. Don't judge me. How much we got?
I think these are both 50 and these are 25, so that's 175.
This is what we got for Christmas, y'all. When our family says, what do y'all want for Christmas? We tell them, just get us Academy gift cards, because like that, I mean, in all honesty, it helps us out. Get over here and look and see if they got that season stuff yet. They were sold out. They were sold out whenever I came last time. Y'all check out that smoker right there. We're gonna make a video. I got the same smoker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all see this? That's gonna be another video right there. So, like if you're on a budget, I don't like those. I don't like those H2O rods. Y'all hear that? This one's pretty neat. These are they don't even have price tag. They don't even have, oh. How much? It seems heavy. 119. Yeah.
It's on 119.
That's what this is. What's y'all's go-to rods, y'all? So when it comes to the fishing rods, like we bought the Guggen rods because some of the people that we followed that watched or we watched their YouTube channel a lot, that's what they fish with, so we got a pretty deal. But we got them from here, but they don't have them here anymore, so. So loose. It's $69. They don't say it's 69. It's on sale. What's wrong with it? It was 89. That's a pretty rod. It's a mote. All-purpose spinning rod. It is a 7-foot power medium action fast. I don't think that was supposed to be in that spot, because that's definitely not a loose section. I done put my spices down, don't know what I did with them.
Your what?
My spices, I don't know what I did with them. Mama was looking at them ducats, boy. That's fancy, ain't it? Did I leave it on the thing? Okay, I left it right there. Mom was looking at that ducket, y'all. Looking at them ducats. That's fancy, ain't it? Huh? Fancy. But that is, yeah, I think that probably goes to this.
Yeah.
That's,
You want to get it?
I think so.
Yeah.
You're not getting your rods, so I might as well. 6-2-1. Not bad. Look. Y'all look at that combination. Well, you'll see it. But anyway, we had that fishing expo, and we're like super. I don't know. What is that? 400?
I mean, it is on sale.
71. Yeah. I almost wanted that mote too, but it's a 4. That's a 200. This is a 400. That's a pretty big.
That one's the one on sale.
Huh?
That one's the one on sale.
Yeah, I know. Comment below which one y'all get, 400 or 200. Anyway, we got the fishing expo coming up in 2 weeks. We're super excited because we get to hang out with some of our sponsors, get to meet new people, get to meet, we just get to hang out, see some of the good stuff that's coming out. So y'all be sure to stay tuned to that for sure. All right, y'all, we gotta turn you off, hide you, all that other good stuff. Man, I know I did not just record that. I didn't record that whole segment. So we're gonna do it again real quick. I just said this whole stuff and I didn't even record it. The wife's proud of me. I'm proud of me. We knew what we had in gift cards, and when we got up to the checkout lane, it was like, what would you say, $14 I owed? And I was like, I don't know about that one. So I just simply asked, hey, did we get our discounted price on it? And got discount on the rod, but not on the reel. Well, they went back there to check it, and we got lucky because they found the sale, but it expired Christmas, but they forgot to take the sign down. So they went ahead and gave it to us. So they owed us $5. All right, y'all. $10. Excuse me. Y'all better all comment. Bless you. $10.98. We got said 50 goldfish to feed Tank. What happened?
You hit my knee.
Huh?
You hit my knee.
I hate your knee.
One.
Yes. Just for the, that's all we need. Alright, y'all. We are at the grocery store. You want me to push it? Water, toilet paper.
We have that, don't we?
I don't know. I don't know how much is left. I'll follow you. Anyway, we getting some stuff. What we getting? What we getting?
Stuff for stew.
Stuff for vegetable stew, because it's getting cold, so
We don't need milk.
probably because there we look, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Everybody coming and getting that milk. Sold completely out. Even the half gallon. Everybody getting that milk. It's snowing. Let's get that milk. I got creamer.
You want the regular creamer?
I mean, I'm good with, if you want it, get it for you. I'm good with what I got, but yeah, y'all check this out. It's snow. Tomorrow's gonna be a snowstorm. Everybody come and got that milk. The day with the Hobbs.
We have shredded cheese, right? And regular cheese.
Now we got regular cheese. We had shredded cheese. I think we still got some left.
Can't get no eggs.
No eggs. Look, see? Wiped them out. No eggs and no milk. That's crazy. That's what people be doing around here. What do they do? What do they sell out of the most? Like, what's the first thing that goes when y'all have like storms? Is it like, up here it's bread, milk, and eggs. Like, that's the worst thing to get, or that's the first thing you get. This video is a lot different from what y'all used to seeing. We're just trying to get y'all some content to watch, because hunting season is just about over with. Well, by the time they watch this, it'll be over with, won't it? Yeah. So hunting season's over with. It's too cold to go out on the boat. All the ponds are frozen. Explain to them what you're getting.
Get some corn. You like lima beans?
Yeah. You gotta explain to them what you get.
Lima beans.
What else? What else? Now I gotta find her. She told me to pick up tomato juice. What is that? Oh, that's an actual thing.
Yeah.
She told me to pick up tomato juice. I come back with a can of tomato soup. My bad, yo. Y'all look, she's running. She's leaving me with everything now. That's all I needed? Alright. I know I keep telling y'all, I was like, oh, I see y'all at the house. I see you at the house. But I like to talk. I talk too much. Because I can talk. Let's go ahead and get one thing. Talk factory. So, checked out. Got to get bread. Had to go back and get bread. And then the wife calls me and says, I forgot bread. Y'all, it's crazy. It's crazy, y'all. Put y'all right here. It's crazy. How?
I gotta get the bread and milk. Oh my god, I gotta get the bread and milk. I gotta get the bread and milk. I gotta get the bread and milk.
It starts to snow.
They said snow. I gotta get the bread and milk.
It starts to snow. Bread, milk, and eggs. That's the first thing that goes in Tennessee.
I gotta get the bread
and toilet paper, but they actually had a lot of toilet paper, so I went ahead and got an extra roll. But bread, milk, and eggs, always first thing that goes. Nothing else. That's it. I'm like, what do y'all do with all that stuff? Like, what do y'all do with bread, milk, and eggs? I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna head home and we're gonna feed Tank. See y'all at the house. I wish y'all can feel how cold it is here. Cause it's cold. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm telling you right now, it's cold. Comment below, tell me what y'all's weather like. I know some of y'all are probably colder than what we are. I know people back home where I'm from, Florida, they're struggling right now because it's like in the 30s. They're not used to all this. So I've been up here for like 4 years, so it's not as bad as it was like the first couple of years. Like, it's still cold, don't get me wrong. But I'm getting more tolerant to it, I should say. But anyway, comment below, tell me what y'all got as weather-wise. It's like in the teens. I think it's like 24 degrees with the wind chill like 13 or something like that. It's cold, y'all. Made it back home. We're about to we're gonna set it up. but we are gonna put the reel on it. So this was the only one that they had, and I originally got this pole because I mean I like to lose rods and reels, but I originally had a reel to put on it, but then we saw the Mach 2 reel on sale, so we was like, you know what? The wife said, might as well go ahead and get it. So, you know, we do what the wife says, of course. So I got it. Anyway, it's the Lose. It's a Mach 1. This is a 7-foot power medium action fast. And like I said, originally it's $90 for this pole, just a pole. And you know, this, to some of y'all it might be cheap, but that's alright. I've got a lot of lose reels and rods downstairs. But anyway, we're just gonna I just want to kind of put this on and see what it actually feels like. This reel was originally $90 too, so like this combo would have been $200 if we'd have paid full price. But we got this. It was $90. We paid $50 or $69. This one was $90 and we paid $71 for it. So I'm just gonna kind of put the rod or the reel on it just to see. I just want to see what it feels like, what it looks like. Alright, so I don't like the reel already. Okay. I mean, it feels good. What I don't like about them, and I didn't see this or I wouldn't have bought it, that little switch where it does that, I don't like those. But it feels comfortable, it feels smooth. It's a 6-2-1, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of the reverse reels is what they call it. Some people like it and I don't understand why, but I've never liked them at all. But I do like the feel of it though. There you go, y'all. Lose all-purpose spinning rod Mach pole, Mach 2. It's a Mach 2 reel, and that, I mean, it does feel pretty. I'm excited to use it for sure. We're not going to string it up tonight. It's too cold. If I string it up tonight, I'd want to go fishing, and every pond that we got around us is straight ice. And we got a snowstorm that's coming, and it's so bad that they named it. What they named it?
Cora.
Cora. Like I've heard of tropical storms being named, hurricanes, tornadoes, whatever, but I've never heard of a snowstorm being named. So we have a snowstorm named Cora coming through. What time?
Around 5.
5 in the morning, and it's gonna last till like the whole state of Tennessee. Schools are closed, businesses are closing. So, but anyway, so that's it. Let's feed Tank. Look at him. He's hungry. 50 goldfish. Now he's not gonna eat all these in one setting. Like, he'll eat a bunch, but not all 50. I don't know if she gave me all. I don't know if she gave me 50 or not. Well, he ate the bag. He knows there's more coming. Yeah,
He ate one, spit one out.
Alright, y'all. 50 goldfish. He's gonna eat on them for a little bit. He's hungry. He's gonna eat on them for a little bit. And I forgot to get dog food, so now we gotta go back. But we're gonna end this video. It's just a short little travel, kind of like, hey, here's what we're doing today. Join along. Again, it's by the time you see this, hunting season's over with. But as we're filming this, we got a few more days to make it happen. But when you see it, it's over with. So we really don't have a whole lot going on. It's too cold to fish, too hot for golf. Wait, too hot for golf, too cold to fish, and too something at home. I noticed something. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this short video. Till then, we'll see you on the next adventure.